Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can scalp boom and crash index on the lower time frames. But before we go to the lower time frames, we're going to take a look at what we have, what has happened on the higher time frame. I'll be starting with boom 500 index on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we can see that price broke out of the bullish flag candlestick pattern, and price has been rising from there. All right, a breakout of the bullish flag, they have a rise, and we might possibly see price rise to the 4253 level or 4505 level. All right, that's that for the weekly time frame. Boom 500 index on the daily time frame. We currently have price ticking up, so you might want to consider buying boom 500 index on the daily time frame. But if price is going to drop, we have this particular order block around here that might serve as support to price in case price drops and break this particular ascending trend line. Price might find support at this level for price to continue to go up. So that's that for boom 500 index on the daily time frame is bullish. For the 4-hour time frame, we currently have a bullish flag pattern being forming on the 4-hour time frame. Just like we have another one around here, and we had another one around here. So boom 500 index continues to form a bullish flag pattern, and price continues to break to the upside. So you might want to look at buying boom 500 index for now. But if price is going to drop for boom 500 index, price might likely drop to this particular order block on the 4-hour time frame for price to find some level of support and then rise to the top. Okay, on the 1-hour time frame, we can see that boom 500 index currently ranging, and we might be expecting range breakout any moment from now. The likely position should be a bullish one. On the 30-minute time frame, price is ranging and waiting for price waiting for a break to the top, which is most likely for boom 500 index. Let's take a look at boom 1000 index on the weekly time frame. Price has been ranging on the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, price is also ranging, but we are likely to see a break to the top. The price is going to break to the top, we might likely see price going as high as first to 10044, before 10063, then finally 10151. That's for the daily time frame. You can see this shadow on this particular candlestick. We can also see another shadow, and the current daily candlestick is also showing the shadow at the bottom. So we might see price spiking upwards. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that price rose at this particular point for us to have this particular ascending trend line. Price tested this particular support area, and price has been rising on the 4-hour time frame, but the candlesticks are currently leaving shadows, showing that the buyers are much in the market, and every push down by the sellers being countered by the buyers. So you might want to jump in and then place buy positions for boom 1000 index. Boom 1000 index, we can see inverted head and shoulder pattern. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. Price is currently broken the neckline, and price is going up. On the 30 minutes time frame, what we have, we see price continue to trend upwards for boom 1000 index. Price continues to trend upward and continues to break structure. If price will drop, we have this order block around here that must serve as demand to price, this particular order block. Afterwards, we have another order block around here that might serve as demand to price. But for now, price is going up. You might want to jump in and buy the 1000 index on the lower time frames. Okay, let's take a look at crash 1000 index. Crash 1000 index is currently forming on the weekly time frame what looks like an evening star candlestick pattern, with this particular candlestick in the middle with a long shadow towards the top, which shows that the sellers are gradually trying to enter the market on the weekly time frame. Still on the weekly time frame, still on the daily time frame, we can see this particular bearish engulfing candlestick. The candle bodies have engulfed the previous candle body, and the wicks also engulf the wicks for the previous candle body. So we might expect price to drop on the daily time frame for crash 1000 index. On the 4-hour time frame, we have price ranging. On the 4-hour time frame, price of crash 1000 index is currently ranging on the 4-hour time frame, and we have our range top to be at this particular point, range top for crash 1000 index, and then we have the range bottom at this particular point for crash 1000 index. So range traders might want to place sell orders around here and buy orders around here. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame, we can see that price has dropped, but for now price is trying to form a triple bottom. But for now, on the 1 hour time frame, price is still ranging, but we have this is the first bottom, this is the second bottom, and this is possibly the third bottom for us to see a break of the neckline, and then price might likely rise towards the top. Okay, if price is gonna rise, we have this particular order block around here that might serve as supply. This order block might serve as supply to price. Price might come to this order, by rise to this order block and possibly drop. Okay, we have another order block at the top that might serve as supply zone to price. This particular order block, price might also get to this point and then possibly drop. Okay, on the 30 minutes time frame, what do we have? Price is currently ranging for crash 1000 index. Our range top is at this point. We have our range top, and the range bottom is at this particular point. So we expect price to continue the range until we have a range breakout. On the 15 minutes time frame, it's also ranging. On the 5 minutes time frame, it's also ranging. So for crash 500 index on the weekly time frame, price has been dropping as we have this particular high point, a low point, higher high, a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Of course, we are having a lower low, and price likely to drop some more. So that's that for crash 1000 index on the weekly time frame. Expect price to continue to fall. On the daily time frame, you can see price from the double top around here. We have a break of the neckline, the particular neckline on the daily time frame. We have a break, then we have like a retest of that break level, of that neckline level, and after price retested the neckline level around this point, we can see price dropping, and it's still going to drop some more in as much as this particular structure around here has been broken. This is a daily time frame. We expect price to continue to drop. On the daily time frame, we can see today's candlestick forming a shadow at the top, indicating that we might have price drop some more. On the 4-hour time frame, crash 500 index currently dropping. It's currently selling. We have a bearish trend formation as price continues to break structure. We see a structural break around here. This particular structure broken somewhere around here. A retest of its price came to form another structure around here. This particular structure got broken around here. We have a retest and then formation of another structure which is currently being broken. Okay, we have a structural break, for a likely structural break in progress as price continues to drop. So you might look for selling opportunities still on the 1 hour time frame. Price continues to break structure to the downside. We have a low, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high. Then we are seeing what might likely turn out to be a lower low. So you might want to sell crash 500 index on the 30 minutes time frame. Crash 500 index is showing a form of range. So a range top and price at the range bottom. We expect price to break this range bottom for price to continue to go down. On the 15 minutes time frame, price is currently bearish and is at this particular order block. A break below this particular order block, I'm talking about the break below this demand area, you might see price continue to slip to the downside. So you might want to look for selling opportunities on crash 500 index or for crash 500 index. On the 5 minutes time frame, we see price continue to slide. So you might want to sell crash 500 index. So that's that for today's video. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click the subscribe button. If you like the video, go ahead and click the like button. Drop comment below the video, ask question, also share the video. You can click the bell button below the video for notification. You can also go to our website, www.beginfxtrader.com, to learn more how to trade boom and crash. You can go to another website of ours, fxfables.com, to learn more on how to trade boom and crash. Till I come your way tomorrow, it's bye for now.